Start selective color grading. Click on Color. Click on Curves. Click on Hue Saturation Curves. Drag down the circle line. Now select your desired color. Drag this point up. Select second color. Drag the second color point. Don't forget to like,